Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to show you how to make a real simple and easy MEMORYDEX card if you have a die. I use dies. You are able to use it without a die. I will demonstrate it, but I first use someone else's MEMORYDEX that I received for the template for the holes is what I did. So I'll show you how I did that. But anyway, I'm going to cut out a few pieces of paper so that we can make this easy MEMORYDEX card. I'll be back. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of card bases that I have cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and so I take my Rolodex and cut them out of that because more times than not I'm going to use this as a base and it'll get covered anyway. I've shown it in a few videos. That's just me being frugal and saving paper. If I get too close to the edge, I'll just toss it. I'm not like that much. But so this is, I've cut some out. I'm gonna back them because some of them are double-sided, but the backing, by layering it twice, you get a good solid cardstock. I mean a good solid base for your Rolodex. So I cut 3 different shapes out and the backing paper. So I'm gonna adhere them together and I will be back. There are the 3 MEMORYDEX bases that I have. I'm only going to use one of them for this tutorial. But so now that you have a good base, you basically go for it. You have a blank canvas. You want to have layers. You can use all kinds of things. So let me pull out some items I want to use and I will be right back. Okay, here are some of the items I'm gonna work with. So I have this calendar here. I'm sending some subby mail for my subbies whose birthdays are in May. It's a little late, but so I'm gonna make a MEMORYDEX card to include in it, and so here. So I have this calendar for May. I'm just gonna add it here at an angle. I do have this celebrate, but I don't know if I want it on this, because then I can pop it up as well. And then I also have this happy birthday that I want to add across. So that's what I'm thinking. I do have some gemmies I can add, some bling. So I'll get some of that out and assemble this MEMORYDEX, this easy MEMORYDEX card. So I feel like it's missing some stuff. Let me get my splingies out. So do I want yellow or the gold? I still want something here. Maybe like if I can find a candle or some kind of die cut like that. Let me, or have ribbon, both. And then don't forget to always add your contact and information on the back. So there's my simple and easy MEMORYDEX card. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.